Want to make passive income online but think it's too hard? Let me show you how I went from $0 to $10K per month, with no followers, no tech background, and no big startup cash. And yes, I'm still earning thousands every single month. Most people believe you need a huge social media following, tons of upfront money, years of experience, or tech skills. The truth? You don't. You just need a simple plan and consistency. Here's exactly what I did. First, I picked one proven business model instead of chasing every side hustle trend. I chose something low cost, high profit, and scalable, perfect for beginners in 2025. Second, I found a profitable niche where people are already spending money, things like fitness, beauty, productivity, or finance. Then, I figured out what they were struggling with and offered solutions. Third, I built traffic for free using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I posted content that answered questions, solved problems, and built trust. No paid ads needed. Fourth, I turned those views into sales. Instead of just trying to go viral, I used simple calls to action to guide people toward a product or service they actually needed. And finally, once I saw what worked, I doubled down. I created more of the content people loved, scaled up my traffic, and grew my income. If you want the exact blueprint, scripts, and traffic system I used to go from $0 to $10K online, I've broken it all down step by step in my ebook, From Zero to $10K Online. Grab your copy through the link in my bio and start your own journey today. The only thing stopping you is not starting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this one.